Here we go. It is Christmas. We are gonna walk over through Casino Royale. Let's go for the walking tour over here. We haven't done a walking tour in here at all. We've walked through here, but here we go. Man, everybody's out on Christmas, huh?
Yeah.
Let me adjust this real quick. Yeah. Here it is, Casino Royale. We'll walk out on the other side and get a.
We will help your odds by immediately reimbursing your club account with $20 in player payback free play credits. To get you started, you'll earn $20 in player payback for your first 20 lost, and then we'll keep things
Here we go.
by awarding you $20 in player payback for every $9.
Ta-da!
Casino Royale. Let's go clockwise, everybody. So it looks like it's connected to a Denny's, huh?
And Walgreens.
Oh, it's
and White
oh.
Castle.
Hey, what's White Castle? Just kidding.
Very, very funny.
Oh, it goes back here pretty far. I've never walked back here before.
Because it smells funny.
Oh, I thought it was my upper lip.
No, it's just like musty kind of funny. You know, we never really played this.
Willy Wonka?
Yeah.
Maybe we should try it sometime.
Maybe we should.
Oh, look at that. They have, is that Nathan's hot dogs? Foot dog.
Like old food. I think that's what it is. The ventilation is not so good. Look, your favorite.
They got $3.49. $3.49 hot dogs. Look at that, everybody. If you want some cheap food.
Sometimes you crave hot dogs.
I do.
Okay, let me rephrase. Sometimes I do crave them.
Yeah. Salty dogs.
So, are we gonna do our crafts here?
Our bubble crabs challenge.
Yeah.
We might have to do it.
One roll.
Yep. But let's finish wandering aimlessly through this casino.
This is Christmas time at noon here in Vegas, Casino Royale.
Look, it's your favorite game.
Woo, my favorite. Okay.
gonna-
Finish walking. I have contract.
I'm gonna pan over here and look. I'm gonna finish walking. Be back. Oh, check this out. They have the shoot to win crabs here. And then they got the bubble crabs right over here.
pra cá?
That is a small casino. Well, that's about it, everybody. Casino Royale. There's a bar in the middle right here. Let's go see if she's winning on the ultimate fire link that she loves to play. Excuse me. So if you sign up here, it's first $20 free on them for their rewards. Oh, she's gonna try the bonus. I'm gonna finish over here. Wow. Mesmerized by the... Well, that's about it. Casino Royale. There it is. Alright, we're walking out of Casino Royale now. We're gonna get the main sign. Club Royale right there. Hotel front desk. Dun, 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 dun. This Christmas. Nope. Here you are. Bam.